Ben, welcome back to our show. Always great to have you on.
Always
And
great to see you, fellow pharmacist. After a man after my own soul. I love how you think, Shawn. You think the
yeah,
same.
I love it. So today we're going to be talking about post-care kits. So go.
Yeah, so our post-care kit is designed for people who have just had a treatment and contains our healing products, basically, which is our biomimetic mineral mist, plant-derived ionic minerals. As you know, minerals are inert. They're rocks. They sink when they go into water. However, when they've been manipulated by plants, as well as by microbes in the soil, they become, instead of minerals, they become electrolytes, meaning they dissolve in water. So you basically have a mineral that dissolves in water. When a substance dissolves in water, it becomes interactive via special bonding between that particular substance, that particular element or electrolyte, and what are called hydrogen bonds in the water. Net effect is electricity. So plant-derived minerals provide electrical charges that, number one, support healing, because at the end of the day, healing is voltage. As one of my mentors, Dr. Jerry Tennant, says in his book by the same name, Healing is Voltage. The healing process is an electrical process. So you're getting electrical charges, voltages delivered to the skin via the biomimetic mineral mist, via the active ingredients in the biomimetic mineral mist, the plant-derived minerals, which support healing as well as hydration. Electrolytes are hygroscopic, meaning they suck water up. So you get hydration as well as mineral delivery, as well as electricity, plus nutrients. These electrolytes have a nutritional value, plus plant-derived minerals, ionic minerals are nature's most powerful detoxifiers and antioxidants. So you get anti-inflammation, you get a calming to the skin, and you get detoxification. And this is ideal for post-treatment after peels or microderm or RF, radio frequency, microneedling, or microderm for that matter, or dermaplaning, or radio frequency, or laser. These polyelectrolytes in our biomimetic mineral mist support the healing process via electricity, via nutrition, via detoxification, and via antioxidation. Plus, they're incredibly hydrating as well as oxygenating. And bonus, they support the absorption of other active ingredients that follow the biomimetic mineral mist or that are applied with the biomimetic mineral mist. And that's our vitamin C products. And so in the post-care kit, you get our transdermal C serum and our transdermal C balm, both made with fatty vitamin C. And I don't care what anybody tells you, fatty vitamin C is the way to go because, number one, it's stable, very important. But number two, it penetrates through the fatty stratum corneum, or the fatty skin barrier. As you know, like dissolves like. And so when you have a fatty barrier, you got to have a fatty ingredient to penetrate. And so you get penetration with our transdermal C serum and balm. They feel great on the skin, and they're anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, very soothing. Plus, you get all the wonderful vitamin C benefits for stimulating collagen production and activating the keratinocyte for moisture factors and cellular health, etc. The fourth product, that's transdermal C balm, transdermal C serum, and our biomimetic mineral mist. Our fourth product is our Zeno, which is our zinc oxide topical, which does provide sun protection. It's not marketed as a sun protection product, but as you know, as a pharmacist, as a fellow pharmacist, zinc oxide is a quintessential healing ingredient. It's used for diaper rash and for burns and for traumas to the skin. I'm sure you sell zinc oxide in your pharmacy, just straight zinc oxide. This is a zinc oxide topical with vitamin C. I love vitamin C and vitamin E, all for protecting the skin post-treatment as well as accelerating healing. And this is really important because a lot of the prognosis and the benefits of a procedure, laser, microderm, microneedle, whatever it is, are dependent on the post-care nutrition, both internally, and we always recommend internal nutritional supplements like our collagen recovery complex and our blemish repair complex and our fulvic cellular complex, but also topically. And that's what the Xenoblock does. It provides vitamin C and vitamin E, as well as protection from the zinc oxide. And then finally, of all the maybe 1,000 products I formulated since I graduated pharmacy school way back when, in 1986, of all the products I formulated, my most important and probably my favorite product is our omega-6 healing cream, which was formulated as a burn cream for a guy who had very severe burns. It worked so well for him, his insurance company ended up paying for it, and I repurposed it as an all-around first aid healing product. It's also the best skin hydrator you'll ever use. It's great for lips. It's great for feet, for heels on your feet or any really hard, dry skin. But as far as being in the post-care kit, it is an incredible, I mean, it would be like, you think I was exaggerating if I told you how incredible it was for healing. It's the best healing product you'll ever use for burns, for scrapes, for any kind of broken skin. And we include that in the omega-6 or in the post-care kit. That's our omega-6 healing cream. Those are the 5 products: Biomimetic Mineral Mist, Transdermal C Serum, Transdermal C Balm, Xenoblock, and our omega-6 healing cream. It will also give you a real flavor of how I like to formulate with Truth, which is super packed with nutrition, tons of vitamins, plant-derived minerals, as well as accessory nutrients like the zinc oxide and sodium PCA and a few other things, high hyaluronic acid, and also without fillers, which means you use very, very tiny amounts. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. Pea size, 1 drop. It's almost crazy how effective 1 drop or 1 pea size amount of a Truth treatment will be. And it's really, the post-care kit really demonstrates the density, the packed nature, the value-laden nature of our Truth treatments. And it's not only perfect for post-care as far as post-procedure goes, but also post-trauma. If you fall off your bike or something hits you on the head or you get a burn or whatever it is, it makes a great healing kit as well as a post-treatment kit. Plus it demonstrates our the unique nature, the signature nature, if you will, of my Truth treatment formulations.
I love it, and that was a great explanation.
Thank you.
The products they're concentrated. They're concentrated and potent, and that's what's different, makes them different, and sets them apart.
Yes,
So.
It's funny because we pharmacists, we have a sense of the gravitas, the seriousness associated with medication, right? I mean, you're always paranoid about the label and about counting and about triple checking, and because we know how serious medicine is. Skincare, not so much. Skincare has this connotation of being silly, of being superficial, of being like a toy. Even the word cosmetic means to arrange superficiality. I wanted my patients to have medicine-like effects, a seriousness associated with the skincare products they use. And that's what True Skin Health is all about. That's why we really tout our pharmacy formulated nature. Just like you have a certain expectation of seriousness and of potency and of effectiveness when you get your beta blocker, your calcium channel blocker, or whatever it is you're getting from the pharmacy, you should have that same expectation of potency and effectiveness and power when you buy a skincare product. And that's really what I was going for when I formulated the Truth, my Truth Skin Health products, is a certain seriousness that is not really found in skincare products is what you'll get with our Truth Skin Health products.
Love it. Well, thank you so much, Ben. Always great to have you on. And
yes,
your wisdom and knowledge of skincare is second to none. So thank you.
Thank you, buddy. Good to see you.